Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, we will delve into the world of API testing using Postman. Specifically, we'll focus on a critical aspect of API testing, writing tests and assertions. These tests help us validate response data, assert status codes, headers, and more to ensure the reliability and correctness of our APIs. So, let's jump right in. To begin, make sure you have Postman installed on your machine and open the application. If you don't have it, go ahead and download it from the official website. Once you're in, create a new workspace or open an existing one where you want to write your tests and assertions. Now, let's navigate to the Test tab within the request where we want to write our tests and assertions. This is where all the magic happens. In this area, we can start by writing a basic test script to assert the status code of the API response. We use the pm.test function to perform the assertion. Let's execute the test script and observe the result. As you can see, the test ran successfully, indicating that the status code matches the expected value. But we can do so much more with Postman tests. Let's move on to asserting response data. We can write assertions to validate specific response data fields such as JSON or XML elements. By using functions like pm.response.json or pm.response.xml, we can access the response data and perform various assertion techniques, like checking field existence, equality, or format. Now, let's focus on response headers. We can extract and validate response headers using test scripts. By utilizing the pm.response.headers.get function, we can access specific headers and write assertions to ensure their presence and values. Sometimes, we encounter complex scenarios where we need conditional assertions. In such cases, we can use JavaScript conditional statements, like if-else, to perform conditional checks. Additionally, we can combine multiple assertions using logical operators such as and or to create compound assertions. And there you have it. We've explored the process of writing tests and assertions in Postman for API testing. Remember, these tests play a vital role in ensuring the reliability and correctness of your APIs. I encourage you to practice and explore advanced test scripting techniques to further enhance your API testing skills using Postman. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the video description for additional resources. Happy testing! Thank you so much for joining me in this exciting tutorial on writing tests and assertions in Postman for API testing. I hope you found it informative and valuable for your journey as an API tester or developer. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to show your support. If you found the content helpful and insightful, please hit that like button. It lets me know that you appreciate the effort I put into creating these tutorials. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now is the perfect time to do so. By subscribing, you'll be notified whenever we release new videos on API testing, development tips, and much more. Join our community of like-minded learners. Thank you once again for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips. Until next time, happy testing and happy coding.